Ako po si Ray Marcel Lura, ang operator ng DTF dito sa DT Dumaguete. Ang machine ito ay ginagamit ng 6 na araw. Ito naman yung printer head area. Last palit po ng printer head na white is August 2023. Ito naman yung capping na may 60% good condition. Last palit po ng damper last year. Head clean. Punasan na wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. At nozzle test. Ito naman yung ink tank system. Yung ink po natin sakto lang. Ito naman yung waste tank area. Last disposal po last week. Ito naman yung EVR. Ground wire. Ito naman yung stock po na ink. Yung mga unused ink. Unused powder. At film. Ito naman yung consumable monitoring ng white ink, resin powder, DTF cleaning solution, film, at yellow. Ito naman yung daily output record, at printer daily checklist.